Hey guys, welcome back. 1st of March, new Quest Plus games. This month it's Contractors and Shadowpoint. I'm gonna try them both and take you with me on this journey. I pre-download them, of course. And I'm gonna look at a screen that is saying how many gigabytes that I have downloaded. But this is the first time that I'm booting up, so okay. This does look cool. I'm a righty. And do you grab weapon clips? I would say trigger, yeah. Yeah, let's go full body. For now, I'm doing it seated. I'm 183. Okay, we try, let's say standing. And then recalibrate. Confirm. I'm gonna be sitting. You carry the motion in terms of where your headset is facing or your controller. How am I gonna steer? Then I would say head. I don't know. Movement, yeah. Let's see. Use the joystick to move around. This is just regular. Okay. A or X. Pull charging handle with trigger button to release bolts. Use the other hand to pull the safety pin of the dummy grenade. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Target practice. Target. Yeah, fine. Okay. Well, where do we go now? Wrong button. How do I drop it in the ammo belt? I honestly do not know. Huh. Oh. Oh. Fun. Wow, this is pretty cool. I do have to get used to moving around and shooting like this. It ain't really easy. Oh, you can actually... Oh, that's nice. Yo, dude. Too bad. I wonder if I could play darts with bullets. Let's see. $180. Oh, what's this? How do I start? I don't know. What do I do here? Is there a place I need to go to or something? What's the whole idea? First time I'm actually happy with boundaries because I have no clue where I am. Oh, sniper training, cool. I wanna do... Click to start, okay. What's next? I don't have a sniper, do I? No, I don't have a sniper. Where's the sniper? Dude, where's my sniper? Hey. Where's my sniper? It's not sticking there. Too bad. Oh, is this a flashbang? Yeah, that's a flashbang. Also quite annoying. Oh, maybe I just need to use my rifle. That's one. That's two. Oh. Nice. Okay. Do I get a sniper here? Is this also... Oh, wrong button. Ah, of course. Oh, can move out of my circle. Yeah. It wasn't exactly what I was hoping for, so... But is there something more to do here than... mission start. Is this also just practice, or what is this? Maybe I'm missing something? Or is this my... Oh. Okay. Ammo supply. Can't do anything with this? I was kinda hoping this was a mission board or something. Sounds like zombies. What do I do here? Oh my god, I actually get some zombies. What the heck? Did I just order a load of zombies? This is fun. Ooh, I can do weight training. That I'm gonna check out. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Oh, this is freaky as crap. Holy moly. I can hear them. Where are they? Holy moly. What? Oh, I actually dropped my clip. Eliminated. Oh, I was in a... Huh? Okay. Well. They... Damn. That dude does look creepy. Hello there. Yeah, might not be ready for an apocalypse. Okay. Well, this is my first glance at Contractors. I have no clue what the whole idea is, but I'm gonna leave the match for now. At least I think I am. Okay, guess I'm not. At least not this way. I'm gonna figure this one out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.